Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to place the ice maker on this GE refrigerator. Need a 1/4 and 5/16 inch nut driver. Let's get started. The most common problem with the ice maker is that it'll just stop making ice altogether. But also we see the nonstick coating can peel off over time with age. The ice maker can start making funny noises. Or the ice maker will make ice, but it won't harvest it and dump it out. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. With the left door open, pull down on the ice door latch to access the ice maker compartment. Remove the ice bucket by lifting up on the bottom, tilting out, and pulling down to remove. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove this screw on the electrical cover. Then pull on the bottom of the cover, tilt, and down to remove. Then remove the temperature sensor. Next, disconnect the 2 electrical connectors by depressing the locking tabs. Now with a 5/16 inch nut driver, remove this screw on the ice maker. Next, lift up and out to remove the ice maker. If you have a bad ice maker and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the ice maker, start by aligning the 2 hooks on the ice maker with the notches on the door. Lift up on the ice maker and set it in place. Now, reinstall the screw. Next, reconnect the 2 electrical connectors by aligning them and pushing them until they lock in place. Then, tuck the connectors into the opening. Now install the temperature sensor into the electrical cover, then insert the top at an angle, aligning the tab, and reinstall the screw. To install the ice bucket, insert the top at an angle, then tilt down to set in place. Now, close the compartment door and push the handle up to lock it in place. With everything reconnected, plug your refrigerator back in and give it some time to cool down so the ice maker can start making some ice. This usually takes 6 to 12 hours. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.